welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be installing the VTA mod on my 2020 Ford F-150 right here. This has the 2.7 liter EcoBoost engine in it. Basically all the VTA mod is a plug from your blow-off valve. So you're disconnecting a hose, which I'll show you guys how to do. You're plugging the hose with this guy right here. This guy was $14.99 off eBay. I was doing a little bit of research on this, and it is absolutely insane how expensive some of these things can be, even though they all are the same thing and do the exact same thing. You could literally even get some of those like rubber bottoms for like chairs and whatnot that are like $2.99. But I figured hopefully this one would be like exact measure to fit in my truck and everything like that. So I got one of these. It was $14.99, but I'll show you guys how to install it, and then I'll show you guys the sound quality differences before and after installing this thing. And plus it came with this awesome sticker, which to be honest is the reason we all buy truck parts in the first place. Installation is super simple. This is my driver's side tire over here, so we're right underneath the truck. This is where we're coming right here. We're gonna twist this hose and pull back. Just like that. And now this is the hose that we're going to be plugging with this guy right here. And now the plug is in place right now. And so now instead of the turbo blow off, you know, coming up through here and getting recycled into the turbo through this hose right here, it's going to vent out to the atmosphere, VTA mod. And that's where the additional sound that will be coming from. Alright guys, there it is. That's the VTA mod. It's super simple, super easy to install. It's a very straightforward process. Like everything that I try and do on my channel, I want it to be simple and straightforward. You should not be spending $50 on this product, guys. I did a little bit of research, like I said earlier. Some of these things are priced way over the top and it's just silly. All it is a plug. You could literally go to Home Depot and buy like a little like rubber thing that goes on the bottom of a chair and it fits in perfectly. But I spent $15 on mine. I'll leave it linked in the description below. I believe it came from eBay, if I'm remembering correctly. I will note, to get that like air discharge, actual blow off sound that people are installing this for, you have to harshly accelerate. When I did a slow gradual climb up to like 4,000 RPMs, I did not hear it at all. But when I stomped on the pedal and immediately shot my RPMs up, that's when I heard the thing kick in. So just keep that in mind. That was my own personal experience from using this thing. I'm gonna give it a fair shot, leave it on my truck for about a week, but I don't know if this is gonna be something I'm gonna be leaving in my truck long term, because personally, I think that this kind of falls under like the silly, like trendy mods or whatever. But anyways, that's just my 2 cents. Thank you guys so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you guys liked it, if it was helpful or educational to you at all. We're almost at 7,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all your support. It has been awesome. I'm gonna do my best to keep bringing you guys awesome videos in the future. Thank you for watching. We'll catch you guys on the next video.